Hello friends, in this video let us see how to create a custom list in Excel. It would be very easy to fill a range if you have a repetitive list in your company, like list of business units, teams, cities, disciplines, phases, areas, etc. Excel has got some built-in lists. Like for example, if I type January in any of the cell, and then if I drag the lower right corner of cell downwards, I can see the other months getting filled automatically. Now let us see how we can create custom lists like this. Go to File tab, click on Options, go to Advanced tab and scroll down till bottom to find the General section and click Edit Custom Lists. Here you can see all the built-in lists of Excel. To create your own custom list, just type in the list entries section one by one and click Add. For example, I am typing the disciplines of the construction industry like civil, enter, structural, enter, mechanical, enter, electrical, enter, instrumentation. Once I'm done, click on Add button. You can also import a list directly from the sheet. Now click on OK. In this sheet, let us type civil in the cell C4, which is our first entry of the custom list. Holding the lower right corner of the cell, drag the cell to the downwards and you will notice that the custom list entries are getting populated in the same order. Now we can use this list in our all Excel sheets and fill the range automatically every time. Got it friends? So in this way you can create a custom list in Excel and save your time if you're having the defined long list in your organization. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.